this is my all matte makeup look using the beautiful Too Faced Born This Way eyeshadow palette. I used the shades Nude, Maple, Cocoa, and Truffle, and I just created, and also Swan, this like all matte eyeshadow look, just really focusing on the outer V. So yeah, we'll just jump right into the tutorial. First shade I'm gonna go in with is Nude on a ColourPop E15. I'm just gonna blend that all into the crease really high up. I'm gonna go with the shade Maple on a ColourPop E16, and I'm just gonna blend that up into the top upper crease area. I'm gonna go in with the shade Cocoa on a Morphe GH38, and I'm gonna blend that into the outer V, really keeping it on the outer side, not bringing it in too far. On the same Morphe GH38, I'm gonna go with the shade Truffle, keeping this on the outer V. Swan on my finger and apply that to whiten up this area. Blend the bottom lash line. 38. I'm gonna go with the shade Truffle and blend that in the bottom as well. Apply just a really skinny line of eyeliner on the top lash line. Line the top lash line. On some Page Boy lashes, apply some mascara to my bottom lash line. Turn up the light highlighting palette in my finger and go in with the shade Glow and just apply that to my inner corner. This ColourPop Tootsie lip liner. And then Soft Touch Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick.